Hi everyone, Cindy A. Lewis here, and I'm sharing with you how to make MaMa's delicious and simply the easiest icebox pie you've ever made. The ingredients you need here are a tub and a half of Cool Whip, 1/8 ounce cream cheese, a can of pie filling, a cup of sugar, and 2 graham cracker crusts. Got all my ingredients here: my tub and a half of Cool Whip, my 2 graham cracker crusts, not just one, and my sugar, my cream cheese, and a can of cherry pie filling is what I'm going to use. I'm showing you here so that make sure you understand exactly what the ingredients are. This is the simplest and super easiest, most delicious icebox pie. Now the bananas I'm not using, but you could slice them up in the bottom of your graham cracker crust and use those. So you just need to take the plastic off and prepare your graham cracker crust for the filling that is going to go in them. As you can see here, I'm just doing that. I'm going to remove that and set those plastic pieces aside. Once you've prepared everything and you're ready to go, you're going to open your cream cheese carton and put it in your bowl. Now you can use the fat-free, the third fat, or just regular cream cheese. Put it in my bowl and I add 1 cup of sugar. Once you add your sugar, then you are going to mix with the mixer on low until the cream cheese and the sugar mix together into a little smooth batter. And it may take a few minutes for that mixture. Now you can see here that I've got it smooth and it's looking really, really nice. You just want to make sure you get that beat well together. And then you'll want to add your Cool Whip or your whip topping, whichever kind you desire. I had sugar-free on hand, so that's what I used. And I'm going to add a tub and a half of another tub, or if you have the very large one, I don't know what size that is, but if you have the large one, I would add almost the whole thing, like a half and then another half, so 3/4, right? And then just mix it all together, and it comes into a really nice, smooth filling, and you'll be able to tell that. So here you can see the consistency. It's really smooth and ready to go into the pie crust. So I take it and I half it. I put half in one and half in the other. It makes 2 pies of deliciousness, and it's really light and so yummy. So spoon half into one and you'll spread that around and spoon half into the other crust. Okay, and once you have all your pie filling out of the bowl, then you'll want to smooth it around in the bowl and just make sure it covers really well. And if you did put the bananas in the bottom, just make sure all the bananas are covered. And it will seem like it'll fill about half of your pie. You'll be able to tell. And then we're going to put the cherry on top. Or rather, we're going to put the cherry pie filling on top. So just open your can and have a spoon handy. And then you're going to, again, split it between the 2 pies. You're going to put about half in one and half in the other. And you'll be able to tell. And since it's already all mixed and thick, it's a little syrupy, then you will not have to add anything to the pie filling. It's super easy. You can use any kind you want. You don't have to use cherry. You can use blueberry. You can, if you like apple, you can use peach, raspberry, blackberry, whatever you guys like at your house, just use that. And then you'll just chill these in the refrigerator for about an hour or a little bit longer, and you're done. And it's that easy and that simple. Just enjoy. So thank you for watching. I hope that you'll make this pie and let me know if you love it. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Usually I do crafts, but sometimes I share a recipe.